Hello everyone, myself Prashant Patil. Today we will see new point of topic stack and queue of subject data structure. Before starting new point, just we recall the previous lecture points. In previous lecture we discussed definition of stack or introduction of stack. Also we discussed difference between stack and array. Also we discussed different C functions of stack. Also we discussed operations of stack. Today we will see new points. Now we can see here some new points which are listed here. The first point we will discuss infix notation or definition of infix notation. Also we will discuss prefix notation. Then we will learn postfix notation. Afterwards we will discuss operator precedence. Afterwards we will discuss rules for conversion. Then we will learn application of stack. Also we will learn expression converting using stack. The first point is infix notation. The infix notation is a notation where the operator is written in between the operands is called as infix notation. Infix means in between. Now see in the figure, now see in the example a plus b. Now here plus is an operator. Plus is one operator, minus is one operator, divide by is one operator, into is one operator. These are the different operators, and this operator is written in between two operands. Operands are the alphabets a, b, c. Also operands are the numbers 0 to 9. Now see in the examples, operator is placed in between a and b. The infix notation is a notation where the operator, which operator? Plus is an operator, is written in between the operands. Which operands? A and b. Means plus is placed in between a and b. This expression is called as infix notation, where note the operator plus is written in between two operands a and b. The second notation is prefix notation. It is the notation in which the operator written before operand is called as prefix notation. Prefix means pre means already before the operand. The notation in which the operator, which operator? Plus operator, written before the operands. Which operands? A and b are the operands, is called as prefix notation. See in the example plus ab. Now here plus is an operator. Afterwards I am going to write here a and b. A and b are the operands. Means this expression is called as prefix notation. The next one is postfix notation. It is the notation written after the operands is called as postfix notation, or which is called as reverse Polish notation. Post means afterwards. Now see in the example a plus b. As you know that which are the operators? Plus, minus, divide by and into. These are the operators. These operators placed after the operands. Now see the definition. The notation written after the operands, or operator is written after the operands, is called as postfix notation. Means in the example first we write operands a and b. A and b are the operands, and afterwards here writing plus. Plus is an operator, is called as postfix notation, or which is called as Polish notation. The next point is operator precedence. In operator precedence, first precedence is exponential operator, means having higher precedence, exponential. The second one is multiplication and division, having similar precedence. Multiplication and division having similar precedence. Afterwards, number 3, addition and subtraction. This is the lower precedence. Then we will discuss here rules to remember during the infix to postfix conversion. The first rule is that parenthesis, the expression starting from left to right. Parenthesis means simple brackets. These brackets are putting from left to right. Rule number 2, during parenthesis, the expression, the operand associated with operator having higher precedence are first parenthesized. Means, for example, suppose the expression is A into B plus C. Now here two operators are present, into and plus, means A into B plus C. Means into is a second highest precedence than plus. That's why when we put the brackets, opening bracket, A into B, simple bracket close, plus C. Likewise, we have to put the parenthesis or put the brackets. The next rule is that the sub expression which has been converted into postfix string is to be treated as a single operand. If suppose expression is big, in this big expression having some small expressions are there, this sub expression is converted into postfix string. For example, A plus B is a one simple expression. This expression is in the format of infix format. This format is converted into postfix form. How to convert? A plus B is infix, is converted into postfix, means AB plus. This is treated as a single operand. Rule number 4, once the expression is converted to postfix, from remove the parenthesis. If suppose expression is converted from infix to postfix, afterwards we have to remove all the parentheses or all the brackets. The next point is application of stack. The first application is expression conversion and evaluation, which contains 4 number of expression conversions. The first one is infix to postfix expression conversion. The second one is infix to prefix expression conversion. Next one is postfix to infix, and the last one is the prefix to infix. Now we will see here the first application is infix to postfix. The first expression is A plus B into C minus D. This is one infix expression. Why we call it an infix expression? Because the operators, which operators? Plus, into and minus, these operators are placed in between the operands. Which operands? A, B, C and D. So this expression is called as infix expression. Now we have to convert infix expression to postfix expression. As you know that what is meant by postfix? Operator is placed after the operands. For example, AB plus. Now here AB are the operands and plus is the operator. Now we have to convert this expression into postfix expression. First, put the parenthesis. Where we have to put the parenthesis? Which operator having higher precedence? There we have to write the parenthesis. The operators are plus, then into, then minus. Here into having higher precedence, that's why parenthesis or brackets put in before the B and after the C. That's why A plus bracket B into C bracket complete minus D. Now we have to convert this B into C. This is one infix format expression which is converted into postfix format. How to convert? BC into. Now see at the right side, BC into, we have to assign BC into, we have to assign is equal to X, means BC into means X. Now instead of BC into, we are adding X. So A plus X minus D. Now here A plus X minus D, plus and minus having similar precedence. That's why first we have to add parenthesis from left to right. Already we seen in the different rules. So a plus x is converted into postfix. How to convert? Ax plus. See at the right side, ax plus is equal to y. Means instead of ax plus, we have to write here y. Means y minus d. Again have to add parenthesis, or which is called as brackets, y minus d. Again have to convert this infix to postfix. How to convert? Y d minus. Okay. Afterwards have to write y. What is mean by y? Already we write here y means ax plus. Again I am going to write instead of y ax plus d. Already what is mean by x? X is bc into. Instead of x I am going to write here bc into, means a b c into plus d minus. This is a postfix conversion of infix expression. This is another one example of infix to postfix form, a plus b minus c. Now here first we have to search operators having two operators, plus and minus. Plus and minus having similar precedence or same precedence. So first we have to apply the parenthesis or write the parenthesis from left to right. Bracket, opening bracket, a plus b, bracket complete, minus c. Here whatever we placed in bracket, which is converted into postfix format. A plus b is in infix format. This infix format is converted into postfix format. How to convert? A b plus is postfix format or postfix form. A b plus is equal to x. Right? See at the right side, a b plus is equal to x. Instead of a b plus, have to write x. Means instead of a b plus, I am going to write here x minus c. Now add the parenthesis or brackets. Now x minus c is in infix format. This infix format is converted into postfix form. How to convert? xc minus. Okay. Afterwards, what is mean by x? X means a b plus. Instead of x, I am going to write here a b plus. Then c write as it is. Then minus write as it is. What is the answer? A b plus c minus. This is the postfix form of given infix format. Now see the third example, a into b plus c divided by d. First see carefully all the operators. Which operators are present here? Into, then plus, then divide by. Which operator having higher precedence? Into and divide by, then plus. So first have to write the parenthesis from left to right. Left one is a into b having higher precedence. That's why adding the or putting the parenthesis or brackets, a plus b. Now here a plus b is in infix format, which is converted into postfix format. How to convert? A b plus. See at the right side, a b plus is equal to x. Instead of a b plus, I am going to write here x. Means x plus c divided by d. X plus c divided by d. Again have to see which one is the higher precedence operator, plus, yeah, divide by. Yes, divide by is the higher precedence. That's why brackets are putting before the c and after the d. Means x plus in bracket c divided by d, bracket complete. Here c divided by d is one infix format expression which is converted into postfix format. How to convert? cd divided by. Okay, see at the right side, cd divided by is equal to y. Again instead of cd divided by, I am going to put here y. Means x plus y. Again x plus y is in infix format, which is converted into postfix format. How to convert? x y plus. Instead of x, we are taken ab into. Instead of y, I am going to write here cd divided by, and then remaining operator plus is right. Means the postfix answer is AB into CD divided by plus. The next point is infix to prefix. Rules for infix to prefix conversion are same and simple, similar to the previous one. Means already we discussed some rules of infix to postfix. All the rules are applied for the. Now give the prefix form a divided by b exponential c plus d. First write this expression once again, a divided by b exponential c plus d. First see carefully all the operators. Operators are divided by exponential and plus. Which operator having higher precedence? Already we discussed exponential having higher precedence than all other operators. So first I am going to put the parenthesis to b exponential c. Now see the next statement, a divided by in bracket b exponential c bracket complete into d. Now here in bracket b exponential c, first we are going to solve. This b exponential c is in infix format, which is converted into prefix format. How to convert? Exponential is right before the operand. Now see at the right side exponential bc. Instead of exponential bc, I am going to write here x. The next statement is a divided by x plus d. Now see carefully, divide by and x, divide by and plus, these are the two operators. Which operator having higher precedence? Yes, divide by having higher precedence. So parentheses are putting to a divided by x. So a divided by x going to solve first. A divided by x is converted into prefix format. How to convert? Operator is placed before the operand. Okay, so divided by ax is equal to y. Instead of divided by ax, I am going to write here y. Y plus d. Y plus d is one infix format expression, which is converted into prefix format. How to convert? Plus yd. Okay, instead of y, I am going to write here plus a plus divided by a exponential b c d. Now see another one example, a into b plus c. Now here first see carefully which are the operators. Into and plus, these are the two operators. Which operator having higher precedence? Into having higher precedence. Okay, so first going to put the brackets a and b. Okay, in bracket a into b bracket complete in plus c. So first we have to solve bracket a into b means into ab is equal to x. Means instead of ab I am going to write here x. X plus c. X plus c is in infix format, which is converted into prefix format. How to convert? Just write the operator before the operands. Plus xc. Okay, plus xc. What is meant by x? X means into ab. Plus write as it is, then write into ab, then write c. Then what is the output? Plus into a, b and c. This is the final output. Again we will see another one example. In bracket a into b bracket complete. See carefully, already put at brackets, plus next opening bracket c divided by d bracket complete minus f. First we have to solve brackets. Which brackets? A into b? No. C divided by d. First going to convert this infix notation to prefix notation. C divided by d means divided by cd, which is assigned to x. The next statement is, or the second statement is, in bracket a into b plus divided by cd. Instead of divided by cd, I am going to write here x bracket complete minus f. Now see a into b plus x. Here two operators are there, into and plus. In between into and plus, plus having higher precedence. So first going to convert A into B. A into B is in infix format, which is converted into prefix format. How to convert? Just write the operator before the operands. Means into AB is equal to Y. Instead of into AB, I am going to write here Y. Y plus X minus F. Okay. Plus and Y having similar precedence. That's why parentheses or brackets are placed from left to right. So brackets are placed to X and Y. X plus Y is in infix format, which is converted into prefix format. How to convert? Plus Yx. Instead of Yx, I am going to write here Z. Z minus F means this Z minus F again converted into prefix format minus ZF. Okay. Now how to write? Instead of Z minus plus Yx, instead of F going to write A, B divided by C, D and F. This is the final output. The next notation is postfix to infix notation. In example number 1, AB into C plus. This expression is in postfix format. This postfix format expression is converted into infix format. Now see carefully the expression AB plus. Okay. After operand AB, here write into. Means into is directly placed in between A and B. So see carefully, into is placed in between A and B. Afterwards C plus. C is one operator, C is one operand and plus is one operator. So plus is again putted in between B and C. So the final output is A into B plus C. This is in infix format. The second example is AB plus CD minus divide by. This is in postfix notation or postfix format, which is converted into infix format. How to convert? Now see, AB plus means AB, both are the operands. Afterwards operator is there, plus operator is there. This plus operator is placed in between A and B. Again C and D, these are the two operands. Afterwards minus is there, minus is one operator. This operator is placed in between C and D. Afterwards divide by operator is there. This divide by operator is placed in between C and plus and C. So the final output is A plus B divided by C minus D. This is one infix format output. The next and the last one is the prefix to infix. See the expression plus into A, B and C. This is one prefix expression which is going to be converted infix notation. Now here see carefully, A is the first operand. Before the operand one operator is there. Which operator is there? Into operator is there. This into operator is placed in between A and B. Okay. Before into one operator is there. The operator name is plus. This plus operator is again placed between B and C. So the final output is A into B plus C. The second example is that plus divided by A exponential B C D. This is one prefix expression. This prefix expression is going to convert into infix expression. How to convert? See again carefully. First see the expression having exponential. The exponential having higher precedence. That's why first we have to solve the exponential. Actually exponential is placed before B. That's why exponential is placed in between B and C. Afterwards divide by. Divide by, again divide by is placed in between A and B. Afterwards, the last precedence having plus. So that's why plus is placed in between C and D. The final output is A divided by B exponential C plus D. Another one example is there, into minus A divided by BC minus into DEF. This is one prefix expression. This prefix expression is going to be converted into infix format. Now see carefully. The first operand is A. Before the operand, minus operator is there. That's why minus operator is placed after the operand A. The next operand is B. Before B, one operator is there, divided by. This divided by operator is placed in between B and C. Afterwards, D operand is there. Before D operand, divided by operator is there. This divided by operator is placed in between D and E. Before into, minus operator is there. This operator is placed in between E and F. And the first into operator or multiplication operator is placed in between C and minus. So the final output is that A minus B divided by C into D into E minus F. Now see the example evaluation of postfix expression using stack. The question is 6, 5, 3 plus 9 into and plus. First take one empty stack. Already we discussed what is in by stack. Actually stack is a one data structure. There one end is opened and another end is closed. Means we have to insert the element from one end and we have to delete the element from the same end, or one end is called as stack. First take the empty stack. Now see in the figure, empty stack is there. The element 6, first mark the first element. The first element is 6. 6 is a value is pushed into the stack. Why 6 is pushed into the stack? Because 6 is the one value. Then mark next element. The next element is 5. Then the next element is 5 and 5 is a value. So again 5 is pushed into the stack. Means first pushing value is 6. Afterwards pushing value is 5. Now see in the figure number 3. The next element is 3. Our third element is 3. 3 is a value. Again 3 is a value. So 3 is pushed into the stack. So stack looks like 3, 5 and 6. The first element is 6. Second element is 5 and the last element is 3. The next element is plus. So afterwards the next element is plus, and plus is an operator. So 3 and 5 are popped out because operators are not pushing inside a stack. That's why first we have to pop out or delete the first element, which is 3. Afterwards delete or remove or popped out the element 5. And plus is an operator is placed in between 3 and 5. Means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Means answer is 8. Afterwards 8 is one value. That's why 8 value is again pushed inside a stack. Eight is an element, so 8 element is pushed inside a stack. So stack looks like in the figure, in stack contains 2 elements, 8 and 6. The next element is 9. 9 is a one value, so 9 is pushed inside a stack. So stack looks like 9, 8 and 6. These are the elements. The next element is into. Now here into is an operator, so we don't push inside a stack. Okay, that's why 9 and 8 these two elements are popped out or delete from the stack. Now here first popped out element is 9 and next element is 8 is popped out. In between into operator is placed, means 9 into 8 answer is 72. Now here 72 is one value, that's why 72 again push inside a stack. So stack looks like the elements 72 and 6. The next element is plus. Now here plus is an operator, so we can't put or push plus operator inside a stack. That's why all the elements are popped out, means first element is popped out which is 72, plus is placed in between 72 and 6. 72 plus 6, the answer is 78. Here 78 is the final answer. Thank you.